Welcome to this complete Monterey, California travel guide. Nestled on California's rugged central coast, Monterey is a gem that sparkles with a rich tapestry of history, astounding natural beauty, and a culture that's as vibrant as the Pacific Ocean it borders. A stroll down its quaint streets will transport you back in time to the days of Spanish explorers and sardine canning magnates. Yet Monterey is not just about the past. It's a living, breathing city that pulses with energy and innovation. From the world-renowned Monterey Bay Aquarium to the picturesque 17-mile drive, there's a cornucopia of sights and sounds that await you. Art lovers, outdoor enthusiasts, history buffs, foodies, or simply those seeking a relaxing getaway. Monterey has something for everyone. So, tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey. Monterey is a place where the past and present live in harmony, and there's no shortage of things to see and do. First on our list is the world-renowned Monterey Bay Aquarium. Diving headfirst into the wonders of the marine world, this aquarium is a beacon of aquatic discovery and conservation. It's not just an exhibition of exotic sea creatures, it's a testament to the biodiversity of our oceans. The aquarium houses a diverse range of exhibits, each showcasing a unique aspect of marine life. From the mesmerizing kelp forest, alive with the ebb and flow of the tide, to the open sea exhibit that offers a glimpse into the vast blue wilderness. You'll find yourself captivated by the playful sea otters, fascinated by the mysterious octopuses, and in awe of the majestic sharks. At the heart of Monterey Bay Aquarium is its commitment to conservation. Through research, education, and advocacy, it's leading the charge in protecting our oceans and their inhabitants. And this commitment is evident in every exhibit, every creature, every ripple of water. The Monterey Bay Aquarium is a must-visit for any nature enthusiast. Next, we journey to the historic Cannery Row and Old Fisherman's Wharf. Where the past meets the present, these iconic landmarks in Monterey burst with stories of yesteryears. Cannery Row, once the heart of a bustling sardine canning industry, now stands as a vibrant waterfront street, echoing the tales of John Steinbeck's famous novel. Turning to Old Fisherman's Wharf, originally a hub for commercial fishing, it has evolved into a hotspot of culinary delights. Here, you'll find an array of dining options, from mouth-watering clam chowder in sourdough bowls to freshly caught seafood served al fresco. But it's not just about food. These areas are also a shopper's paradise, offering a plethora of unique boutiques, art galleries, and souvenir shops. Whether you're hunting for a vintage trinket or a piece of local art, you're sure to find something that catches your eye. Cannery Row and Old Fisherman's Wharf offer a delightful blend of history and modern charm. For those who love breathtaking views, the 17-mile drive and Point Lobos State Natural Reserve are not to be missed. The 17-mile drive is a winding road that offers a visual feast of the Californian coast. It's a symphony of crashing waves, cypress trees, and the occasional barking of sea lions. This drive is less of a journey and more of a sensory experience that you'll want to savor. Just a short hop away is the Point Lobos State Natural Reserve, a gem of natural beauty. It's a haven for wildlife with its teeming kelp forests and thriving marine life. Hiking trails meander through the reserve, each offering its own unique vista of the Californian coastline. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, an avid hiker, or someone who simply appreciates a beautiful view, these locations are your ticket to a memorable day. These locations offer a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in Monterey's stunning natural beauty. Continuing our journey, we come to the Monterey Bay Coastal Recreation Trail and the Monterey Museum of Art. Imagine a trail stretching over 18 miles, hugging the scenic Pacific coastline and offering views of sea otters, seals, and a myriad of bird species. That's the Monterey Bay Coastal Recreation Trail for you, a haven for walkers, joggers, and cyclists alike. On the other hand, the Monterey Museum of Art, with its two locations, is home to a rich collection of over 14,000 pieces. It showcases American and Californian art spanning the last 2 centuries, from early 20th century photography to contemporary installations. What's more, the museum also hosts regular lectures, workshops, and community events, fostering a vibrant artistic community. So, whether you're an art lover who revels in the thought of exploring diverse art forms, or an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys the symphony of nature, these locations offer something for everyone. For our younger travelers or those young at heart, Dennis the Menace Park and Pacific Grove Marine Gardens Park are perfect destinations. Imagine a place where childhood dreams meet reality, and that's Dennis the Menace Park for you. The park is a wonderland filled with unique playgrounds, perfect for sparking your little one's imagination. It's not just about the play structures, though. The park also offers beautiful picnic areas where you can enjoy a leisurely lunch under the California sun. Moving on, we reach Pacific Grove Marine Gardens Park, a gem for marine wildlife enthusiasts. The park is a gateway to the underwater world, offering an opportunity to marvel at the rich marine life that thrives in the area. From colorful anemones and starfish to curious sea otters, it's a fascinating journey beneath the waves. So whether it's a day of adventure in the playground or a peaceful afternoon watching the sea life, these parks are the perfect locations for a day of family fun. Finally, we conclude our journey at Monterey State Historic Park. This park is more than just a breath of fresh air. It's a living testament to California's rich past, where every corner whispers stories of the bygone era. Nestled in the heart of Monterey, this park comprises a collection of significant historic houses and buildings interspersed around the old downtown area. Among these, you'll find the oldest government building in California, the Custom House, and California's first theater. But it's not all bricks and mortar here. The park is also home to meticulously maintained gardens, where you can stroll amidst a delightful array of native plants. These gardens, designed in the 19th century style, add a touch of elegance to the historic surroundings. If history were a painting, Monterey State Historic Park would be its canvas, bringing to life California's vibrant past with its old adobes and lush gardens. Monterey State Historic Park is a place where history comes alive. Monterey, California, is a treasure trove of experiences. Indeed, we've traversed the vibrant streets of Cannery Row and Old Fisherman's Wharf, where the scent of the sea and the bustle of the marketplace blend into a unique sensory tapestry. We've marveled at the aquatic wonders of the Monterey Bay Aquarium, a place that reminds us of our intrinsic connection with the ocean and its inhabitants. We've taken the scenic route along the 17-mile drive, with every turn unveiling a new vista of coastal beauty. We've explored the rugged wilderness of Point Lobos State Natural Reserve, a testament to the raw and untamed allure of nature. We've sauntered along the Monterey Bay Coastal Recreation Trail, a pathway that offers a diverse range of landscapes from urban vibrancy to serene waterfront. We've immersed ourselves in the artistic legacy of the region at the Monterey Museum of Art, a window into the creative spirit of Monterey. We've taken a playful detour to Dennis the Menace Park, a place that captures the childlike wonder in all of us. And we've breathed in the tranquility of Pacific Grove Marine Gardens Park, a sanctuary of coastal flora and fauna. Finally, we've journeyed into the past at Monterey State Historic Park, a living museum that tells the tale of California's rich history. Each of these places, in their own unique way, contributes to the enchanting mosaic that is Monterey. They are threads in a tapestry of experiences that make this coastal city a must-visit destination. Monterey is not just a place. It's a feeling, an experience, a memory waiting to be made. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and tastes that linger long after you've left its shores. It's a slice of California that encapsulates the state's diverse charm in a singular, unforgettable package. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or foodie, Monterey has something to offer. So when are you planning your visit?